Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a woven wheel, which is used to make circles or flowers with a nice texture and dimension to them. You can see an example in this sampler here, where this small fisheye is a raised woven wheel. To make it easier to see, I'm doing a slightly bigger one for you here. And the method is similar to other woven stitches, just in a circle. To start, I've drawn a circle here with 5 lines or spokes, but you can also do this with 7 or 9 spokes, just depending on your preference for what kind of texture you like and the size of your circle. So the first thing we're going to do is make straight stitches on those 5 lines. So we're going to go from where that line meets the perimeter of the circle to the center on each one. Oops. And you want these to be pretty even, but they are going to be hidden, so don't stress if yours are not perfect. And we're just going to go down the same hole in the center each time from these. So to start the woven stitches, we're going to come up at a point just outside the center between 2 of the spokes, and it does not at all matter where you start from as long as it's close to the center and not coming up through one of those threads. And I'm going to turn. I use pointy needles, so I'm going to turn to use the blunt side of my needle to just make it easier to weave through. So you can see that I've come up between these 2. I'm just going to choose to go over the first one, so under the second, over the third, so under the fourth, etc. as I go around. So all we're doing is alternating, and so you can always just look, you don't have to count, to see, okay, I'm over that one, so that means I go under the next. And just keep going around. And you want to be pulling your thread taut as you go, but not so tight that you're distorting these stitches. I usually keep going until I have covered all of the ends of the little spokes, although there are times where for design reasons you may want to let a bit of that line stick out. But for flowers and other shapes, most often you want to go until you have pretty much finished that, and then all you're going to do is just poke under so it'll be hidden to bring your thread to the back and secure it. And it creates an interesting basket weave kind of texture with a center to it. And that's it for Woven Wheel. Thanks for watching.